this is Stephanie and welcome to Designs by Stephanie. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, I would love to have you as part of the DBS family. Just click on that subscribe button below as well as the notification bell beside that so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. This week I have for you another wig review unboxing. It is a Vella Vella wig. I've done a Vella Vella on here before. This one is the style LaLa and it's in the color MHCOPPER. Not for sure what the MH stands for. It is curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. And it says heat resistant fibers, premium quality, professionally designed wigs. So if you would like to see the unboxing of this unit, then stick around and stay tuned. Alright, let's get to the unboxing. And it's copper, so it's a little red, and I think this is the first time that I've done a red unit on my channel. Let's see. It has the washing and curl instructions here on the stock card. That's about all it has, other than the available colors that it comes in listed here on the bottom. And that's about it. So let's take everything out so we can see the makeup of it for the inside of this unit. And as you can see, it has the stretchable cap in the back. It does have the 2 ear tabs on each side of the unit. It has a 2-inch wire comb in the back. It also has one in the front. It has no parting space. The cap is fully enclosed on the top. It is breathable though on the sides, but no parting space. This unit comes with a long wavy piece in the front, and that is on the right side of the unit, and then it's black in the back and just has the red on the top. So it does have the 2 adjustable straps on each side and the back, but they are attached to the ear tabs, and you can draw them closer, which I usually do, and put them there so that it's tight enough for my head. But we will go ahead and take this tag off, and I'm going to take off my unit. And if you like this unit that I have on, I will link it above so that you can check that out. I think it is the HOTTT maybe. Anyway, I'll link it above, whichever one it is. So clip-on ponytail, so or drawstring ponytail. So if you're interested in seeing the try on, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay, I have tightened the adjustable straps up, and they are side by side here in the one little latch. So I'm going to put this on. I actually think I like this copper color, although I've never had it before that I can remember. I think I like it. And this fits pretty snug on my head in the last 2 straps. So if you have a small head, you can get a tight fit. And I think I want a little bit of height in it. I really like this up here in the front, but this part is cute. It's real cute. Let's go ahead and give you a 360 of this unit. Make sure it's straight. Yeah, the hair on it feels pretty thick. As far as this part of it, it feels like a head of thick hair. Some of them don't feel like this. Well, most of them don't, but this feels like a really high density. It feels really, really thick. Thicker than most of them I've gotten. I really like this wave pattern. I think I would like that all over. This long side here is the right side, and as you can see, if you lift that up, it comes up to a little feather around your ears. You really don't have to do much to that unless you want to shape it more so around your ears, but that's a pure waste since this is long and it covers that up anyway. That is the shorter left side. You can spike it up a little bit in the top if you so choose to, but it's cut fairly well. The layers are, to me, if I had cut this, it looks pretty good. I can't complain about the cut on it. On this side, I wouldn't have to do anything to that at all as far as blending it and making it look better. But we'll see what it looks like once we get to the back. That is the back. Oh, it's cut good back here as well. So all in all, this unit has a very good cut on it. The neckline comes down really far. It hooks tight around my neckline so I don't feel like it will ride up. So it'll completely cover it at all times. And let's look at the crown. Oh yeah, the crown looks pretty good too. So all in all, I would say this is a really cute unit. I really like it. I know it's getting fall and some people don't like short hair, but I'm one of those people. I've always worn my hair short. Well, I wear it long too, but I like my hair better short, and I wear short hair during the winter. So everybody doesn't like long hair, and this channel, as you know, mostly is short wigs. So this is really cute to me. I would highly recommend this. It feels really good, really thick. The quality of hair feels good. It even looks pretty much human. The color contrast on it is very good. This copper color, they did a good job with it. It looks really good. I don't know if the camera can see it, because you can see the orange flame highlights like we do if you colored it yourself. It looks really good. So I really can say that I really like this unit. As far as styling, I wouldn't do much to it at all. I don't think it requires any additional cutting of it. Just pull it out the pack and go. So yeah. Okay guys, that is it. I would highly recommend this unit. I will list all the information about the unit below, and where you can get it from, just click on that link. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.